How to solve this problem? Here is the simple way to solve the problem.
Hi guys, today I will share some tips and tricks. WhatsApp tips and tricks. How to send message to unsaved number on WhatsApp for Android and iOS. Just follow me. I will share after it. WhatsApp is arguably the most popular messaging platform we can't really do without. The Facebook on the app has number of features and now more than just a messaging platform. However, the app still is not fully equipped with all the features on earth, does not allow us to perform certain tasks. One task is the ability to direct message people whose number are not saved on our smartphone. Currently, if we have to send WhatsApp message to phone number we don't have on our smartphone, we are required to save the contact first and then start sending message to the particular person. Nonetheless, we have a workaround to save you the hassle of saving number you probably don't want and still connect with them on WhatsApp. Therefore, here is how to send WhatsApp message to people without saving their numbers. How to send WhatsApp message to unsaved number on Android and iOS. You are required to follow a couple of steps to start sending message to number you don't want to save in your contact list. Before sending, you need to ensure the number you want to send a WhatsApp number message is registered on WhatsApp. It must be registered like other person is using WhatsApp. Once that is done, you need to create a WhatsApp link to start sending message to an unsaved number. To create a WhatsApp link, you need to head to like this http://wa.me/phone number via any browser of your Android and iOS smartphone. Now you have to replace the latter part of the URL with the phone number you want to send WhatsApp number message along with the country code. For example, if the number is this, you need to enter the URL http://wa.me/this number. Once you go to the website, you will find a big screen message icon. Upon clicking the icon, you will be taken to the WhatsApp window with that particular number in your WhatsApp app, and you can start conversing with the person without the need to save the digit. There is another hack to send the WhatsApp message to unsaved number, but it's only support stock and pure Android. So now I'm showing you how to send the WhatsApp message without saving the number. Yes, I go now. Like this is http, and last one is the phone number with steady in like 91, and you have to see that if there is any space in between the numbers, you have to absolute that and press enter. See, chat on WhatsApp with 98738, like this number. Continue to chat. Just click on this continue to chat here. Now you can send WhatsApp whatever you want to send, like hi. Done. Like this is very easy, you can follow. Thank you.